Sure. Pulling into that spot. Early morning. We in the work truck. Oh, came too far. Back up. There she go. Well, I'll come out a little bit more. Wham. Well, YouTube, this is it. This is the bullshit Chevy lineup. It's my new Chevy 2500, man. Just got this from my grandma, man. I'm finna wash this booger up. My grandma bought this truck. It's a one-owner truck. Other than my family driving it every once in a while. Most of this truck life, this truck been sitting up in the driveway in Houston, Texas, Seed King, so it's a good truck. Old lady truck. But my relative tried to fix the transmission a while back. And look at that. That's piece of the transmission hanging and dangling. So, it's got a real nice interior on this truck. I call it Merle. It's a Merle interior. Ain't nobody seen no Merle interior like this. Merle, nigga. Merle. Merle. Merle Bully Gang. Merle Truck Gang. Hell, the outside Merle too. That's how long this booger been sitting up. But if y'all know, it's a 2500, so it got the 6.0 in it. 4L80E transmission. I already got a new transmission for it yesterday. I should have recorded that. I was at the junkyard, man. They had a lot of motors, transmission, 6.2, 6.0. But I just needed the transmission because supposedly the motor is good. And the truck got flooded out, as you can tell. But it's been since Hurricane Harvey. And only the transmission really got flooded. But before the hurricane, the transmission was out of there anyway. So at this point, I'm just gonna get the motor going. Back tight right, probably tune up, all change, spark plugs. And we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna bolt that transmission up after I get that motor going. But I gotta take the old one off first, so. Yeah, man, it's gonna be an upgrade from my old little Chevy. Look how hard it's squatting. This truck is not dropped. It's stock height. And it's not dropped. So I need this big truck, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on this one. I'm finna wash it down and chill. Be right back. Yep, 93 gents and gents, or gentettes and Gillettas and fellas and players and ladies. This bitch clean. Washed up, washed down. Next thing next is get at that motor. Get that motor in check. Drop the transmission. Stab the new transmission. And I'm gonna be spinning the life out of them tires. They ain't got much life left in them. But I'm gonna be spinning the life out of them tires. Especially this one over here. This one over here. Yeah, that way. A lot of people kick my ass out here in the Vapor Max like that. Well, back to the hood I go.